I'm so sorry for being late, Professor. I'm really sorry.
It's okay, Supandi. Don't worry about it.
It's just been a horrible day. When I left for work, I found my bike's tire had a puncture. Then I couldn't find an auto for the longest time. Then the auto I got decided he didn't want to go halfway. So I just ended up fighting with him. It's just been a series of accidents.
Oh, that sounds rough, Supandi. Come, let's eat something. Put you in a better mood. We will have 2 plates. You know, Supandi, everything that's happened today was completely out of your control. What was under your control, however, was you.
Me? What do you mean, Professor?
There are a lot of things in life that will be beyond your control. The only thing that is under your control is how you react to it. Your attitude, your mindset, that is what you can control.
I never thought of it that way. Seriously, Professor? Where do you come up with this stuff?
Well, the right attitude is very important for financial discipline as well. There are many things out of your control that affect the economy. Things like inflation, political climate, natural disasters, corporate earnings, and so on. The only thing that you can do is not panic and stay invested.
Of course. We discussed this when you told me about market volatility.
Exactly. Instead of trying to predict where the NAV will be in 20 years, which is very hard to do, your focus should be on maximizing the number of units you have. Which reminds me, do you want more units of Pani Puri, Supandi?
Sure, Professor. But what do you mean by maximizing units?
Well, think of it this way. When people do share trading, they don't talk about the value of one share. They talk about the number of shares they have. The more shares they have, the wealthier they will be.
I understand now, Professor. The more mutual fund units I have, the wealthier I will be as well.
Exactly, Supandi. Maximize your mutual fund units over the years, and you may be a very wealthy person one day.
I get it now. Focus on what I can control and I will be a happy person. I can control the number of mutual fund units I own. I can also control the number of Pani Puris I can have. So I'm going to have 1 more plate.
Oh, Supandi. To know more about KYC documentation requirements and procedure for change of address, phone number, bank details, etc., please visit www.tatamutualfund.com/investor-education. Please deal only with registered mutual funds, details of which can be verified on the SEBI website under intermediaries/market infrastructure institutions. All complaints regarding Tata Mutual Fund may be directed to service@tataamc.com and or visit www.scores.gov.in, SEBI Scores portal. Nomination is advisable for all folios opened by an individual, especially with sole holding, as it facilitates an easy transmission process. This communication is a part of investor education and awareness initiative of Tata Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.